United Nations Charter was signed in option A 1946, option B 1950, option C 1947, option D 1945. The correct answer is option D 1945. The Charter of the United Nations was signed on option A June 26, 1945, option B July 26, 1945, option C August 26, 1945, or is it option D September 26, 1945? The correct answer is option A June 26, 1945. United Nations Charter came into force on, is it option A October 24th, 1945, is it option B October 26th, 1945, or option C August 24th, 1945, or option D September 26, 1945? The correct answer is option A October 24th, 1945. The forerunner of the United Nations was, is it option A Atlantic Charter, option B Allied Forces, option C League of Nations, or is it option D NATO? The correct answer is option C League of Nations. In 1945, representatives of how many countries met in San Francisco at the United Nations Conference on International Organization to draw up the United Nations Charter? Is it option A 51, option B 55, option C 60, option D 65? The correct answer is option A 51 countries. United Nations Day is celebrated on which day of each year? Is it option A October 24th, option B October 30th, option C September 24th, or option D September 30th? The correct answer is option A October 24th. Charter of Economic Rights was adopted by United Nations in the year, is it option A 1974, option B 1969, option C 1973, or option D 1968? The correct answer is option A 1974. The charter was adopted by, is it option A General Assembly, or option B Security Council, option C Trusteeship Council, or option D all of the above? The correct answer is option A General Assembly. Article 51 of the UN Charter deals with, option A right to offense, option B non-military intervention, option C right to self-defense, option D none of these? The correct answer is option C right to self-defense. Which country is considered as original member of UN though it signed the charter later? Is it option A Poland, option B India, option C United States, or option D none of these? The correct answer is Poland, option A. First Charter of Human Rights is, option A International Charter, option B UN Charter, option C Khutbah Hajjatul Wida, or is it option D French Constitution? The correct answer is option C Khutbah Hajjatul Wida. UN Security Council to meet on Kashmir issue first time in closed doors on December 18, 2019 at which country's request? Is it option A, Pakistan, option B, Bangladesh, option C, China, or is it option D, Russia? The correct answer is option C, China.